The first destination. No speed limit out here, boy. Oh my god! Hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know how it is, baby. We're here in Magaluf. Look at the views, boy. Check the views out, boy. For ladies. Boom. You know how it is. We're here in Magaluf, about to take a boat trip because, you know, I love me some boat trips. So that's what we're gonna do for today, and maybe do some jet skis later too. But I'm gonna record that on the GoPro. Shout out to Courtney for letting me borrow his GoPro so I can get some sick footage today. You know how it is. You're gonna go diving? You're gonna go diving, ma?
No.
No, why?
I don't know how to swim.
See? Now you lot know why I don't know how to swim, because my mom can't swim. My dad can swim, but my mom can't swim. See what I'm saying? So it runs in the family, but best believe I'm gonna dive today with a life vest, you know. So we're here in the first destination where this boat's gonna stop and pick up more people or drop people off to. But I'm gonna go for a quick dip because, you know, the boy's been getting his tan, so it's getting too hot. So I'm just gonna take a quick dip before everyone gets back, and no, everyone gets out and get back in. Sorry about the noise, because obviously I'm in a boat, hella loud, but yeah, boy, there's a life in Mallorca, boy, chilling. I don't know if you can see, but I'm tired now. I love it. But yeah, I'm gonna go back upstairs and just chill there, catch a vibe, and relax. That's what I came here for, to relax. Yeah.
And 4 is there.
Oh, okay.
And 4 you can...
he gone.
Okay, you're next. You give him your camera.
Thank you. This is hard, boy. Oh my. Oh my. Faster. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. This guy. The Jetski. This guy is. Oh wait. Yeah, there you go. This guy can't drive, bro. Oh God. Inside it. No speed limit out here, boy. Oh, what's that? Is that oh shit? I said. Hold on. That's it. We done that shit. Boom. You know how it is. So that is it, guys. That is the trip in Mallorca. This is our last day. Well, we're heading to the airport later tonight, but that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Not just the video, the whole trip. Hope you guys enjoyed the whole trip. And stay tuned for some more traveling, because obviously I'll be doing some more traveling in the future. But for now, it's time to say goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. It's time to say goodbye to this beautiful weather. Look at that, man. Adios, Mallorca.